Oh, come on, Donkey. Look at him in his wee little boots. You know, how many cats can wear boots? Honestly. Oh, let's keep him. Say what?
Boy, your eyes are like sapphires. Gee. That's pretty corny, though, huh?
Oh, no. Not at all. Any woman would like it. Oh.
Okay, since the dog's not here, I'm gonna take you for a walk.
Mom, I'm not sure if I'm ready to open my heart again, but this kitten's name is Coltrane. Coltrane, would you like to hear some music written by your namesake? Coltrane! Coltrane, you were with us only briefly, but we'll always have the ride home from the shelter. And, I guess that's it. Amen.